Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another powerful indicator that I want to show to you guys, and this indicator does not reprint. It is appear permanently on your chart once it show up this particular arrow that you are seeing here, and also once it show your breaker OB or your mitigated level or your unmitigated level. It's always perfect and accurate. It does not stay away from the chart. So once it appears, it remains permanent on the chart. So in today's video, I want to show you guys on how to make use of this perfect indicator and make around $100 to $200 every single day. So guys, this is how we used to do it. So what you need to first understand is that you need to monitor your unmitigated level or your breaker level or your unmitigated level. So and you are going to make it along with this your signal arrow, with this your perfect signal arrow. Like for example, now let's do this. For our trend here, we have our arrow indicate to us that we have a downtrend level at this particular area, and this is not a confirmation entry for us to enter a sell entry. So we will only enter a sell entry when we have our breaker level or our mitigated level show to us that we have a downtrend level, and we can only identify this particular level when we have our higher high on sell entry, and when we have a lower low on buy entry. So that is how to make use of this indicator. Now you have a set signal, then you keep on wait for the price to show to you a breaker OB, a very accurate breaker OB that go along with this particular signal. Then you can enter your trade at this particular level for a sell entry, and you can see what the market did. The market pull back little bit, and it go on a massive sell entry up to this particular moment. Again, it retraces back to this same level and it pull back down again. You can see that. So now we have another signal at this particular area that our market is on uptrend. We can see is on uptrend at this particular area. So what you just need to wait for the market to give you a lower low breaker level or unmitigated level. You can see what we have here is a breaker level on a lower low, and this is the accurate entry for you to enter for buy zone. You can see that. So we can enter our buy zone up to this particular moment, and you can see there's another pullback again, then we go massively again. You can see that we go massively. So now we can see we have another breaker, another signal at this particular area that we have a downtrend. But watching this now, what we are going to be waiting for is that we are going to be waiting for our mitigated or unmitigated to show to us our higher high. But we can see that our unmitigated level that is showed to us here is a lower low, so it is not an accurate entry for us, and that's why the markets go on a reverse level. Now on this particular downtrend, now we can still see that currently we are having our higher high level here, but the market still tell us that we are having our downtrend very soon. So this is an best accurate entry for you at this particular moment, and we can see what the market is doing now. So the market is respecting this particular zone currently now based on the latest signal that was shown here. You can see that. So now currently when you enter your market around this particular area, then the market will keep on pulling down up to this particular first breaker or this second breaker. So that is how this strategy works. So let me show you guys on how it works on our other step index. We have our step index of 100 here. You can see this is step index of 100 here. So let me explain this to you. You can see this. You can see what happened here. We have our breaker, we have our signal that indicates to us that we have a downtrend, but our downtrend is not confirmed at this particular area. We will only wait for it to show to us a mitigated or unmitigated level where we have a downtrend. Also, you can see this is where we have a mitigated that show that we have a downtrend and on a higher high level. This is this. So at this particular level now, if you enter at this particular level, the market will now be coming down up to this particular signal area here. You can see that, but we cannot enter this mitigated because this is a sign, this is a downtrend signal, and we are having a uptrend mitigated here, so it does not accurate along with each other. So that is how we cannot take this particular trade. So we can see this also at this particular level. Now we can see that we have a downtrend level, and we are having our breakout OB for uptrend, so it does not align with each other, so we are not taking trade at any level here. So we have another downtrend again, we are not taking any trade here until we have our mitigated level that show to us that we have a downtrend. You can see this is a signal of a mitigated level that show on a downtrend, and we can see what the trade did. It reversed little bit on the massive level up to this particular breaker zone. You can see, so this is an opportunity for us to set down the market massively, like what we are having currently here. You can see the market will keep on pulling down until we reach this our mitigated level. So let's check for more if we can see more. You can see this indicator is it does not reprint, it stay permanent once it appear. We can see we have our uptrend level at this particular area, and we can see our price still keep on. You can see this is another breakout OB to us, but we cannot take this breakout OB because it appear on our higher high, and we are only looking for mitigated or breakout OB that show to us that we have our lower low. You can see that lower low. So this one also appear to us for uptrend. So we keep on watching the market until we have our accurate signal. You can see this is a unmitigated level that show to us that we have a lower low. These are higher high level, this is higher high level, so we are not taking higher high level when we want to take a buy zone. We are looking for a lower low level. You can see this is a level 1 for us to take a buy zone, for us to take a buy opportunity. This is a level 1, and this is another level 2 for us to take a what. In case you miss this particular level, then you can enter for this particular level at this particular zone. You can see it's go massively until we have another breakout will be on it. You can see, so that is how this perfect indicator works every time. So this indicator works on boom and crash, and it also works on step index. You can see this is another opportunity for us. You can see what the market is doing. The market is keeping on ranging from time to time. You see this is a sell entry. We cannot enter our sell entry here because we don't have any mitigated level for sell entry here, but this is a breakout bid for sell entry, but it's already gone before our arrow appear. So this is another uptrend, this is another downtrend. We have mitigated level, so it does not go align with each other. We have an uptrend level here. Now let's watch this very well. We have our uptrend level here. We don't have any mitigated level around it, but we have one at this particular area. So this is a confirmation uptrend for us on our on our latest signal, and it also bring another signal for us for uptrend. So we are going to be entering our market around this particular area. This particular area will serve as our uptrend level. We can see we take it on a massive uptrend. You can see it still give us a massive profit at this particular area. So we have another sell entry at this particular area. We have another sell entry. But we don't have any mitigated around it, and we have another sell entry opportunity here. Now we have a mitigated level for downtrend around this area. So mitigated area level for downtrend around this area. You can see, so if you enter for sell entry around this particular area, you are still going to be making your profit currently now. You still be in profit, massive profit. So what next is that we are going to see if the market is going to break this particular unmitigated that show on a little down and go massively on a downtrend. So let's see on how all those things work. So now to get this particular indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to reach out to me, and you are going to get this indicator massively. You can see the market is still going according to how we analyze it. Thanks guys.